Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. I got another TMG Dumpster rolling out of the shop today. Now, this is going to my man Mark, local guy in Knoxville Hill. This is like his 20th TMG pit, I think it is. So this is actually getting this for his son for his birthday. Pretty good gift, if you ask me. But he couldn't just get the standard dumpster. He had to go all out, upgrade it. So he got it on our off-road package. Got some badass upgraded wheels and tires from our guys Mods down in Texas. One of the first times we put the white wheels on there, those are slick. I really liked how that came out. Now, when you add the off-road package to the dumpster, we do throw you a little side shelf on here. So that's 8 still out there, heavy duty, stand on if you want to. Probably stand up there, take a shower while you're out camping. Open the lid up here. Now the dumpster is all 3/16 steel construction. The very bottom is actually 1/4 inch steel and it's insulated on the bottom. So this thing holds temp really well. Guys, you can do ribs on this, chicken. We got customers smoking briskets on here, pork butts. So it's really a one deal does it all right here. Super easy to run, fun to cook on. Become one of our most popular units here. Got the gas strut on the side, help lift the lid. Guys, that is our TMG dumpster on the off-road package. So hey, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.